sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you. We'll have it all, you.
Saya terima nikahnya dan kawinnya Neng Sri Rahayu binti Lukman Sulaiman dengan mas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.
This day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful.
Oke guys, kali ini Aing
Baru dari mana Aing?
Aing baru dari undangan babaturan Aing di Leletik. Anjing babaturan Aing geus kawin. Aduh, kalem we kalem santai brother. Tremor kene. Gas warna. Buat Hermawan. Happy wedding, happy ending.
Ya pakai penting.
Di malam bos, hadap. Mana upload Aing tayang kayak di YouTube channel.
Next tahun ya.
Oh. Doana. Sampai bro. Anjing. Banyak aduh. Itu no hajatan di handap tadi.